If you want to alter a card, go to Browse, find the deck, and choose the card you want to alter. How to add a word or collocation to memorizing. First, choose the word here. By left-click, highlight it, then go to Close and left-click it. If you want to add a description of this word, print here colon twice, and type in your description. And here you are. You get your renovated card. You can also add notes you need here in this field. If you want to remove any words which you don't want to memorize, just simply delete parentheses. And also delete the unnecessary information. In conclusion, there is a lot of information about Anki on the internet. If you have any question about this program or the way to use it, you can easily find the answer. You can find some useful links in the description. The general opinion of Anki. This is the most convenient and effective tool to transfer any kind of information into long-term memory.